Hey guys, this is PS5 PlayStation 5 Digital Edition 8K 4K 120 HDR disc-free console Sony PS5. Play like never before. Lightning speed, breathtaking immersion, stunning games. Harness the power of a custom CPU and SSD with integrated I/O that rewire the rule of what a PlayStation console can do. Breathtaking immersion, discover a deeper gaming experience with support for haptic feedback, adaptive triggers, and 3D audio technology. Stunning games, marvel at incredible graphic experience. New PS5 features playback catalogs of supported PS4 digital games with system update. This is what we have here: 825 gigabytes. Highly recommended. It deserves your attention. Play like never before. PS5. Thank you.